Hey everyone, so I am heading to my sister's parlor and it's gonna be a surprise for her. Let's see. Hello! So there she is, the owner of the salon. Come on. High five from far. Let's do a high five. High five. Okay, so this is a very cozy setup is what I would say. And what do we have here? So this is the owner. I'm without my mask because I'm doing my recording, but she's all masked up, but I think we should tell her to remove it maybe after some time. She's following all protocols. Okay, let us first check out her beautiful little cozy parlor. Okay, what do we have here? All stuffs, everything set. Nice. So, what service will I do to get today? Like, she's an expert in hair cutting, coloring, threading, facial, name it, and she's an expert. So you should all drop by here. If you drop by here through my video, then you should obviously ask for a discount. How much discount will you give them? How much discount will you give them? 20%. 20%! Oh my god, that's a big amount. But hey, if you're coming through YouTube, just say that it's through YouTube and you should get 20% discount. Is that not worth? So let me have a makeover. I'm planning on doing, I don't visit the parlor much, but I'm planning on doing a facial, getting a facial done. So what is the rate for facial? It starts from 500. So the cleanup, okay. The cleanup starts from 500. Okay, so what will I get today? What will be good for my skin? I'm gonna get a Japanese facial done. Let me see if there will be any changes. Maybe I can get a makeover. My makeover. How's this? Thank you so much. Do you like it? I love it. This is so good and I am so going to recommend you to my YouTube channel. So this is the owner and she is the Miss Talented. I'm so proud of my little sister here and she has all the skills to do facial. What else do you do?
Anything, color, smoothing,
and so many other things. So you really have to visit here, AIYSEN. Where is the location? Where is this? At Viva Complex.
Yeah.
And 3rd Mile Dimapur. Okay, so when you pass by 3rd Mile on the way to Kohima or Dimapur, it's on the highway. It's such a good hangout. You have to come to this complex. And remember, if you come here, you're gonna get a good discount provided you say that it's from my channel and you are also subscribed to it. So kindly like, share and subscribe. Bye.